Meaning of hiking.
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 Hiking. Hiking is a recreational outdoor activity that involves walking in natural environments such as hills, mountains, forests, and trails. It is usually done for pleasure, exercise, or as a means of connecting with nature. Hiking typically requires appropriate gear, including comfortable footwear, clothing, and hydration. It can be done alone or in groups, and may range from day hikes to multi-day backpacking trips. Hiking not only provides physical benefits, but also mental benefits such as stress relief, improved mood and sense of well-being, and increased self-confidence. It is a great way to explore and appreciate nature while getting exercise.